This is Keystone, Colorado, and we're going to show you why you're going to fall in love with it. From the amazing snowboarding and skiing to the incredible views you can take in nearby, the hiking trails that are within 10 minutes of the resort, 2 ski villages, the nearby towns that you're going to want to check out, and all of the shopping that's close by. Keystone is located just 70 miles west of Denver, so kind of right in the heart of Colorado. And we're going to show you a little bit of everything. The trails that we enjoyed, the village was awesome. We'll show you some of the things nearby that you can check out. But first, let's start off with a little bit of skiing and snowboarding. We really appreciated how family-friendly Keystone was. Lots of areas for that beginner/intermediate skier, snowboarder, and of course they have their black diamond runs for the advanced skiers. But the views from the top of this mountain were just amazing. You can see the slopes right here over to Breckenridge. Wonderful places to eat at the top of the mountain. And of course, Keystone offers night skiing that we'll show you here coming up. There's actually 2 villages right there at Keystone with great little pizza eateries and different high-end restaurants, great shops. But one of the big attractions to Keystone has got to be just the surrounding area. So skiing is a great event that everybody's going to participate in, but when you want to take that day off and get out there and sightsee, lots of areas that you can go and take in the wonderful views. A great short hike that you can do, which is just a 10-minute drive from Keystone, is right here at Sapphire Point. It's only about 3/4 of a mile or maybe a little less of a hiking trail, but unbelievable. It goes around the point of this mountain and the views looking out are just outstanding. We actually met a couple that was there on the hiking trail that day that was getting ready to get married at this very spot the very next day. How cool. I think you can definitely see why you need to take at least one of your days, take a break from snowboarding and skiing, and get out here and see these views. If you enjoy a little more traditional shopping, they did have the outlets right there at Silverthorne, maybe 7-8 minutes from Keystone. And then Breckenridge is just a 30-minute drive if you want to take in that downtown area with all the cute shops and wonderful restaurants. We highly recommend Blue Moose. Wonderful breakfast there. We hope you enjoyed this look at Keystone, Colorado. In the comments, maybe leave your favorite restaurant or place nearby that you like to see. And give us a thumbs up down below if this video was helpful to you. And more importantly, we hope that you subscribe to the channel and come along for these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.